exposing the mystery in your phone, other storage. I bet you didn't know your apps could be secret hoarders. Let's break it down and kick that clutter out. First, other storage is like that messy junk drawer, full of stuff you didn't even know you had. It's mostly old app cache, leftover files, and digital dust bunnies. Step 1. Open Settings, tap Apps, pick your biggest apps, and hit Clear Cache. That's the harmless stuff. Feeling bold? Tap Clear Data. But remember, it's like erasing and resetting the app. Step 2. Back in Settings, look for Storage or Device Care. Use your phone's built-in cleaner to zap junk files. You might even get a breakdown of what's taking up space in other. Step 3. Open your file manager, peek into folders like Downloads or WhatsApp Media, and delete big files you don't need. Pro tip: empty your trash or recycle bin. Still full? Uninstall unused apps, manage offline downloads, and restart your phone. As a last resort, update Android or backup and factory reset. Congrats! You've just tamed the other storage beast. Enjoy that extra